I wish there was a place where I could learn how to grow muscles.
Do you need to build your strength? Then walk into Tinkle's Star Gym today.
Hello, Suppandi. I am your trainer, and I will show you a series of exercises. But it's important that you work out every day.
Work out? But sir, if I have to work outside, I would have not paid the gym fees to come inside.
Very funny, Suppandi. Now come, let's begin. Suppandi, it's important that along with exercise, you have a balanced diet of fruits and vegetables.
I'll have to buy a weighing scale for that.
Huh? No more jokes. Come on, let's exercise. Now, to make your arms strong, you need to lift these dumbbells.
Sir, these bells are really dumb. They don't even ring.
Stop it, Suppandi. Now, to add weight, I will put plates on these dumbbells.
Plates? Is it lunchtime already?
Ow, ow, ow.
Yummy! Let's have some of that balanced diet you were speaking about.
Oh my God. Okay, forget it. I'm going to go take a round. In the meantime, I want you to do bench presses. That's easy enough.
Okay, sir.
Holy cow! Suppandi, what exactly are you doing?
Pressing the bench, sir, just as you asked.
Ah! I cannot take this stupidity anymore. Pack your bags and leave this gym right now. Go home. Suppandi, what are you still doing here? I asked you to leave an hour ago.
Sir, I've been trying to get home on this bicycle for the last 1 hour. But it refuses to move from its place. I'm stuck here, sir.
Suppandi!